Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2016 Landrover Discovery Sport. So from any screen you can do a couple of things. If you can either touch the screen there when it's on home and press screen to continue, or if it's on another screen, let's have a look, we'll put it on another screen. So it's on another screen, you can press this button here, click the button, and that's it, you're on. So here the box is there, where to, map view, favorites, information, emergency system. I'll just go back there, I'll just show you where it is. The bottom left hand side, there's 6 kind of boxes, so onto there, where to, click where to, enter postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton Dale, Preston, PR 54JS. Touch it.
The route is being calculated.
And then that's it, that's the address there. Click yes.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
And that's it, that's how you do it.